Okay. So today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. And the way I do my brows is I literally just put product on the brush and I just follow the shape of my natural brow, which is pretty easy because I have hairs, but I just want to fill it in and make it look even. After all of that is done, I take the Fenty Beauty foundation and I outline the outside of my brows to make it look more even, if you say so. I don't know how to explain it properly, but I just take a brush, like a little small brush, and just basically outline the outside so it doesn't look messy. And the next step that I do is I basically just blend the foundation on my brows with my finger. And the next step is I try to conceal my bags and whatever blemishes that I have using this Sephora concealer. I just grabbed this from the shelf because I just need a random concealer, because sometimes I don't really use concealers, which is bad, but at the same time, am I really professional? No, I'm not, so I can do whatever I want. Am I right? So yeah, I'm just gonna blend it everywhere, and I use my fingers also because I'm not a professional. Like I said, I just try to make sure that everything goes on my face and I look very awake. And then after that, I blend the foundation, the same foundation that I use on my brows, with my fingers, of course. And to set my foundation, I use this Anastasia contour kit, which has been used by me, like, I think for 3 years already. And yeah, you can clearly tell it's abused already. So I used the very light shade since I ran out of the banana color, which is the middle yellow one, and I'm too lazy to buy one, so I'm just setting my face with that. And then I covered more blemishes because my pimples were popping during that time. And I also used the same kit to contour. So I used the two very end colors of the two shades of the brown in my contour kit. I don't know the names at all because I really don't care. As long as my face looks chiseled and contoured at the end of the day, then that's it. So yeah, I just try to put that on my face. I also try to contour my nose since I am Filipino and I have a flat nose, kind of really, not really flat, but like, you know, sometimes you just gotta cheat your way in life, which is the only way I can do is by makeup. And then for eyeshadow, I use the Smashbox full exposure palette, which I got as a present like 3 years ago as well, and I haven't bought a new palette since I feel like every palette is the same. And I clearly just use 3 colors because I'm very, very, very neutral, and that's just me. My life is very neutral. So I just blend it on my lids, and yeah. After I blend my eyeshadow, I try to curl my non-existent Asian lashes. And the lashes that I'm going to be using for today are by Feline Lashes, and the name is Savannah. These lashes are I like my lashes usually with a lot of volume. I'm never the type to wear natural looking lashes because, I don't know, I'm just dramatic. No, not really, but yeah, I just like volume, okay? Just leave me alone. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm putting them both on my lids to make myself look like I'm more awake, since my small eyes aren't doing any justice. I try to make that look even because sometimes the other eye does not look the same as the left eye or the right eye. I then use a lip liner to line my lips. I don't really overdraw them because I already have natural looking lips. I don't want to make it look like even bigger. So yeah, I just put that all over my lips, on top and the bottom, and then I use the Bite Beauty in the shade, I think it's Glaze. Yes, it's Glaze, and it's just a natural pinkish nude, which I always go for. I'm using more lip products on my lips, so I'm using this Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Carnal. To be honest, it looks the same color as the Bite Beauty lipstick, but I don't know why I put this on top of my lips, but whatever. And then I use a highlighter called Becca in the shade Champagne Pop. I think everybody knows what highlighter this is because it's very, very popular, and it looks really good on my skin. And after all that's done, this is the complete look of my everyday makeup tutorial. Yeah, the eyelashes may be doing too much, but this is natural to me and I like it. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I make another proper makeup tutorial. Bye!